the SumIf function. So the SumIf function is used to add numbers together that meet criteria that you set. In this example, we're adding up all numbers that are next to the letter D. Okay, so this is basically specific summing now. Okay, so it's very similar to the COUNTIF function. So for example, if you want to add up all of the numbers that have the letter D next to it, all we're going to do is use a SumIf function in this case. So let's work through some examples just to give you an idea of what to do. Okay, so here we want to add up all the total points scored by plet. So what we want to do is go through this information over here, and every time it finds the word plet, 8 for example, it's then going to find the word plet again and add on this 8 with this plet score over here, so 4,563 plus 8. Then it's going to go to the next plet, and it's going to add up all the points for plet like this. Okay, so specific summing. So we're specifically adding points for plet, so this is the SumIf function. So how this is going to work, it's equals SumIf, open brackets, so the 3 bits of information we have to have in our formula. Firstly, the range. The range is where we're going to find our criteria. And the criteria in this case is plet. It's for whom we're summing this information for. So the range, you're going to find plet in this column. So I'm going to highlight from B4 to B24. Comma, the criteria in that range we're looking for plet. And then the sum range is actually what you're going to be adding up, which column has the points. Because we're adding up the points for plet. So the points are found in this column. So whenever it finds the word plet, it's going to go and add up all those points for plet in this column. So plet scored a total amount of points of 102,532, which is correct. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, very similar. Add the total points for Neisner. Okay, so equals SumIf. The range. So in this case, our criteria is Neisner. So the range is going to be where we find this criteria. So Neisner is found in this column. Criteria, as we said, is Neisner. And the sum range, we're adding the points for Neisner. So we're going to be doing the points column, which is this column here. Close bracket. And Neisner scored 10 points. So you can see it's 5 for Neisner here. And Neisner has 5 again over here. So 5 and 5 is 10. Last one, the points scored by George. So you might get the case where the columns are swapped around. Now the city and town's on the end, but the process is still the same. So equals SumIf. The range, where we're going to find our criteria. So we're adding up for George. So George is found in this column. Our criteria is George. And the sum range, we're adding up the points, so we highlight the points column. And that's it. So that is the SumIf function, specific add-in.